Okay, we are going to do the DMR for today. And we are going to look at the two common denominators. And there are two ways to do this. Some of you may notice that 2 is a factor of 6, which would mean that this one doesn't, that the 6 does not need anything. It stays as it is. But 1/2, in order to turn the denominator into 6, you need to multiply both by 3. So your answers are 3/6 and 2/6. If you do not see that, the way that we've been teaching you will also work. So I will multiply these two. 1/2 is missing the 6. And 2/6 is missing the 2. If you do it that way, it will also become 6/12 and 4/12. The problem there is you'll have to reduce dividing both evenly. So this would be 3/6, and this would be 1/3. So there's several different ways that you can do this, but the main thing you need to know is these are your answers because they have the same denominator. Your reflection is in the typed answers that expect something to be there. Because it's all typed there. This one is 12 times, that's what this means, is 12 times b equals 48. So we're going to use the inverse of multiplication, which means multiply by the reciprocal, or it just means divide. So the reciprocal is times 1/12 times 1/12, and that becomes 1. B equals 4. So that is multiplying by the reciprocal. If you think of an inverse operation as an opposite operation, 12b equals 48, I am putting 12/12. That is still dividing by 12. It is also still multiplying by the reciprocal. It just depends on the words that you choose to use. The strategy is still the same. When you turn something into a fraction, you are just dividing it up. This turns into 1 and eliminates it and becomes b equals 4. So there's two ways to do it. Same thing. Look there for the answers.